Class plus continuation. Yeah. Functions and math functions. Okay. Working with string model. Working with the string model. Working with the string model. If we want to display all the properties of string model by using following command. Go to string layer of string. Go to string layer of string. Now observing very clearly, string dir of string. These are the string model properties. The string dot key underscore letters. Now it will be written uppercase and lowercase alphabets. String dot ASCII underscore lowercase. String dot ASCII underscore uppercase. String dot digits. String dot oct digits. String dot x digits. String dot printable characters. Printable. Next one, string dot punctuation. String dot white space characters. String dot cap words. Cap words. I'm passing hi Shiva. Good morning or 1, 2, 3. Morning. These are the cap words. Okay. The cap word, each and every word post character in uppercase. Each and every word post character means H is a post character, S is a post character, G is a post character, 1 is a post character. But already we will discussing at the time of string handling title method. The title method return each and every word post alphabet. Post alphabet means H, S, G, and M. That is the difference. Output up to here same, but here is different. Next one. Now I am using capitalize. The capitalize method to return only first word, first character. In my string, which is the first word? This is the first word. What is the first character? That is an alphabet. That alphabet H will be written as a uppercase one. Completed. Next one, working with random module. Working with random module. If we want to display all the properties of random module, if we want to display all the properties of random module by using following command, put random dir of random. Dir of random. These are the random module properties. For suppose my requirement is I want to generate the from 0 to 1 floating point values. In that situation, put random dot random is another function. Now it give the output is 0 to 1 only floating point values. Any one random number is generated. Generate the random floating point value from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. Okay. Next, second example. To generate the random integers. Now randint of a comma b. A and B are inclusive values. That means it may be either A is possible and B is also possible. Random dot randint of 1 comma 5. Now 1 is included and 5 is included. Either 2 or 3 or 4. Totally these 5 numbers, any one random number is generated. Continue. Generate the random numbers from the given range. Rand range of stop value. Here stop value is exclusive by default starting from 0. By default starting from 0 and by default increment by 1. Okay. Now observing random dot rand range of, suppose I am passing 5. Now 5 is a stop value, that is a excluded value. Before 5, from starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In these 5 values, any one number is generated randomly. Okay. Next one. Here we are passing start to stop. Your start value is inclusive. Random dot 1 comma 5. 1 is a starting value, that is inclusive. 5 is a stop value, that is excluded. Now the values are either 1, 2, 3, 4. So not rand into rand wins. So 1 comma 5. Stop comma step value. Step value is either increment or decrement. One comma 10 comma 2. Now what are the possible values? 1 is included, 10 is excluded. Step value is 2. That means what are the values are available? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In these numbers, any one random number is generated. Next one, write a program to generate the random values from the given data. Choice of data or X. X is an iterable object. Okay. Taken as x equal to 4, 2.3, ij, false. Sure. Now observing very clearly in these values, any one random number I want to generate it. In that situation, random dot choice of that object we are passing. Okay. To generate the random values from the given data, more than one random or one or more. In that situation, we are using choices x comma. By default, k value is 1. That means at a time we can retrieve one value. If we interest, we can change the k value. By default, the choices function to return the object. Return the list object. Random dot choices of x. Okay. Now it will be written list of any one random number. Now observing very clearly. For suppose I am using k value equal to 2. Now two values are generated. For suppose we are changing k value. Now three values were generated. Okay. Completed. Next one. To generate the floating point values randomly. Floating point values randomly. Generate the floating point values randomly. Okay, previously we were discussing floating point values only 0 to 1. But here one more function is available. That function name is called uniform function. The uniform function takes two parameters x, y. Between x and y, floating point values are generated. Floating points are generated. Uniform x comma y, between x and y, floating points are generated. Okay, observing very clearly. Random dot uniform. I am passing 2 to 5. From 2 to 5, any one floating point value generated randomly. Okay. Previously, the random function to generate the floating point values from 0 to 1 by default. If you interest, we can take your specified number, then we go for uniform function. Okay. To generate the or write a program to shuffle the data. Shuffling the data. Shuffle of x. Now observing very clearly. Import random. I am taking as x value. Now random dot shuffle of x. After shuffling the data will be storing into same variable x. Now x contain after shuffling the data. Shuffling means what is the shuffling? Mingle the data. Next one more time executing, we will get the different order. One more time I am executing this command. Again, we will get the different result. A program to generate the n number of digits randomly. It's like OTP generations. A program to generate the n number of digits randomly. It's like OTP generation. Okay. Now observing very clearly, take the number as the input. Input of enter your number. That means how many random digits we want to generate it. Now, how to generate the random integers from random import. Next one, I am using one for loop for I in range of num. Next one, I want to print one random integer. A print of randint of random integers. Okay, maximum integers I have. What are the digits 0 to 9? Every digit I want to print it separated by empty string. That means end value I am taking as empty. For suppose we are taking the end value space, each and every digit between we are getting the spaces. Now I'm passing 5. Now one 5-digit random number is generated. Suppose I'm passing 3. Now 3-digit random number is generated. I'm passing 6. Now 6-digit random number is generated. Now 8-digit random number is generated. Next one, write a program generate the number of random characters. It's like as a passwords. Password generations. So suppose we are forget any password. If you want to get the password, then immediately you enter your email ID or mobile number, click on the forget option, then immediately we will get the one random string. That string contain maybe uppercase alphabets, lowercase alphabets, special characters. Okay, this type of formats there. The type of strings I want to generate. Okay. Now observing very clearly, now I am using choice function because I want to generate the random characters from the given specified string. Now I'm taking as a from string model. Already in the string model, we will discussing ASCII letters. ASCII letters means uppercase and lowercase. Digits means 0 to 9. Now I'm generating one string x equal to ASCII letters. ASCII letters plus my requirement, some special characters also I want to require. Okay. Digits. Now number of characters. Okay. Now here I am using choices. Choice. Yes. Okay. Enter your number of characters. 5. Okay. Capital A, small z, capital E, and at the rate symbol. Okay. enter our number. Now suppose I'm taking as 8. Okay. 8 character random string, capital B, G, 4, O, C, U, hash symbol, and B. Completion. Okay, same logic, observing very clearly. I am using choices function. Okay, next one, don't require this for loop. Simply of empty string dot join of, I am calling choices function. The choices function takes the parameter as yes. How many characters we want to print it? K equal to num value I am passing. The choices function to give the output as a list object. Now here I am applying the join method to join the elements from list with the help of empty string.
Sir, what will happen if we give the range number, I mean, the number of characters more than the uh, length of the character we have mentioned in the program? Let's say 10 or 12.
Which one? What is your doubt?
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
in previous program in
Yes.
choice, not in choices. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
so we have mentioned few characters.
Yeah.
Let's say those are the length of those characters is, I mean, the number of characters are 6 or 8. If we
Yeah.
mention 15,
Yeah.
so what will happen? What is the output?
Yeah. 15 characters randomly generated. Okay, here how many number we are passing, that number of characters are generated. Now I'm passing 19. 19 characters generated. What is your doubt?
Okay, so I mean we mentioned few only, right? Characters. So I mean
Not
I'm a bit
few.
confused. I'm a bit confused. You are right, sir. Yeah.
Randomly any one character generated. For suppose we can take your string as a 5 characters also. Randomly 19 characters generated with duplicates or anything.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. To write these choices.
Choices, why we need to give this join function?
Yeah. Yeah, the already we were discussing at the time of string handling. This is a join method. The purpose of join method to join the elements of iterable object with the help of this one, this string object. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. The choices function to give the output as a list format. Okay. List is a iterable object. Are you clear?
Yep.
Yeah. For suppose whenever this command is executed, for suppose I'm passing num value is 5. In that situation, the choices function to give the output as list of 5 characters randomly. For suppose I'm taking as a small a, I am taking as a @ symbol. Now I am taking as a 1 digit value 9. Next one I'm taking as a capital A. Now I'm taking as a small e. Okay, now I'm apply the join method with the help of empty string. That means to join these characters A at the rate. Next one 9 capital A and a small e. This random string is generated. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Got it.
So where exactly we use this random module? I mean,
Hey, if you want to
mostly.
generate anything randomly in the situation random model, we are using maximum OTP generations, password generations. This type of scenarios we are using random. For suppose randomly we can assigning the task, automation tasks. For suppose randomly if you want to executing any one file in the server side, the type of situations we are using random.
Okay, so that means this random model will help more in automation side also, right?
Yeah. Not
Thanks.
only automation, for suppose games implementation also we are implementing. Like next class I am discussing one gaming application like as a dice game implementation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. This is a random model basic example. Next class I'm explaining one simple gaming application like as a dice game application. After that one we will starting time model, date time model and a calendar model. We are discussing calendar, time and date. After that we will discuss some another examples like as a age calculations. Next one, for suppose we are passing one birthday date. That birthday date weekday I want to finding. After 10 years, same date, which date we are getting. This type of examples we are discussing. Okay. ఏం తెలియదు వాళ్ళు చెప్తారు మనకి ఉండే ఉంటుంది.